I missed you. And so much I love you. Now I'm going to make you special surprise. And then all the things you do.
Say hi to all your friends.
All the friends are
Say hi, my class.
Hi, my class.
I miss you.
I missed you.
Say, I miss you, Miss Skinner.
I miss Miss Skinner.
Have we been working hard on homework here?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we miss our class, don't we?
Yeah.
How was the plane ride, Miriam?
Good. He got seatbelts in with the plane for a long time.
How many planes did we ride?
2,
3.
3.
We rode 3 different planes.
And then 1 plane.
And then now we're here.
Now here.
Now we're here. What do you have to sleep with over your bed, Miriam?
What?
A big net?
A big nut. And then
Why do you sleep with that? So what doesn't bite you?
ski bites.
Yeah, because if we don't sleep with a big net over our bed, we can get mosquito bites. What did you have? She is so excited because the other day we got something that you can get in the States.
A watermelon.
Yeah, she got to eat watermelon, and we've got to eat strawberries and lots of oranges. We've been eating lots of fresh fruit.
Let me talk to her.
Okay, you talk now.
Now we going to special because we have my camera and Mark has a camera. And
We have some of our toys we brought with us.
And then we got bath toys. And then
Oh, Miriam, is your bathtub really small or really big? Really small. She takes a bath in this really tiny, it's like a big bowl. But are you having fun?
yeah.
Okay, we will talk to you soon. We hope to get internet going by next week. So we want all of you guys to shoot us a video and send it back. Bye! Bye, my class. I miss you.
Missed you.